Hey guys, Richard here from eBike Reviews and Adventures. Hey, we just unboxed the Big Sur from AIMA. It's an AIMA bike company. You may have heard of them, you may not have. They've got a couple of models out there that are just really good quality. Really thank them for sending it out to us so we could do a test ride and review. But hey, not only that, they're hosting a riding event at Florida eBikes of Sarasota on the 28th of October. Space is limited, but if you want to join us, we're going to be there. We're going to be doing some riding. We're going to be doing some testing. We're going to be making some videos. We'd love to meet you if you're going to be in the area. 28 October. There'll be a link down below for you to register. Space is limited to about 30 people. Bring any bike that you want to bring so you can ride along in the riding event. And at the end, they are going to be giving away one of their brand new models that they're launching during the event called Key West. So be looking forward to that. Hey, hopefully we will see you there on the 28th of October.